Hey y'all, welcome back. Today's show is all about slow cooking. And the next recipe I'm making is a creamy macaroni and cheese. What's really gonna put this dish over the top, y'all, is I'm cooking it with a cheddar cheese soup in a crock pot. And I love it because you can just put it in your cooker and walk away and forget about it for 3 hours. Now, I'm gonna melt a half a stick of butter, and I'm gonna mix into that butter 2½ cups of a sharp shredded cheddar cheese. And we're just gonna stir that until it's all melted. All right, so I got our cheese and our butter melting. You know, I don't know how many tons of macaroni and cheese we serve a year at the Lady and Sons. I can tell you right now, it's a lot. And I've shared that recipe with y'all before. But this recipe's got a little twist. Well, one, it's done in the crock pot, and two, it's got a soup in it. A cheddar cheese soup. Oh, look at that. Can y'all see down in there? Look. Is that heaven, kids, or what? Wow. All right. Now, to this, I'm going to add 1 can of cheddar cheese soup. Yum, look at that. All right, I'm going to mix that together. This really does not require a whole bunch of skill. Now, I'm gonna add a half a cup of sour cream. Not many ways you can mess this up, kids. All right. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of ground mustard, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. All right, now we're gonna add 1 cup of milk. All right, now I'm gonna beat up 3 eggs because here in the South, we just like eggs in our macaroni and cheese. And I know other parts of the country doesn't do this. But if you don't like it, you can leave them out. All right, in the crock pot they go. Now I'm gonna stir in our macaroni that I've had over here draining. And this is about 2 cups of cooked elbow macaroni. Okay. We're just gonna stir that up, put it on low, and we're gonna let this cook for 3 hours. And about 30 minutes before it's ready, we're gonna come back and we're gonna top it with a little bit more cheddar cheese, put the top back on it, and let it finish cooking for that last 30 minutes. Ready? Look. Gosh, I wish y'all were here. Now you know there is no box of macaroni and cheese that's gonna taste that good anywhere. Look at the steam coming off of that. Oh. Here, open wide. Oh my goodness, this is so good.